Welcome to Supermiata. We've had some questions about the installation of our upper ball joint for NA and B Miatas. So I've decided to make this short video to help you guys out. Once you've removed the old upper ball joint and you've cleaned the upper control arm, you simply press the new upper ball joint in using your choice of ball joint press or ball joint service tool. At that point, it will be up to about this groove in the upper control arm. So at that point, you take the snap ring, put it into the groove. Pretty straightforward. That sits into place, and that will secure the upper ball joint into the upper control arm. There's no need to tack weld or anything like that. Once you have the snap ring in this groove, you take the boot, slide it on, and pop it into place. So you'll see the boot only goes up to this ledge. It does not have to go past that ledge and into the detent. The detent is for the snap ring, not for the boot. And now if you're concerned about how secure this is, it's snug. It doesn't just pop right back off, okay? So once you get the boot on, you'll then slide this into the knuckle, which will then push this up. It's not going anywhere. If you have an NA, after you've got this in the knuckle, you use the spacer and then the nut. Finishing up, of course, with the cotter pin. If you're using NB control arms and spindles in an NA, of course, you don't need the spacer. If you have an NB, you don't need the spacer. That's just if you've got NA upper control arms and spindles or you are driving an NA Miata. So hopefully that clears things up. Let us know if you have any other questions.